go that route. There go the bite. Not a big bite, but it'll do. It'll do. Oh. Alright guys, I'm finally home. Let me turn this fan off. That fan is so loud as heck. I got the corn on the stove. Actually, when I went to the market when I got off of work, they had some corn on the cob for sale. Five for $2. So I grabbed 10 I grabbed 10 ears of corn. I got some butter, salt and pepper, and butter, salt, and pepper in there. And that's been boiling for about 10 minutes. I got the fish. I washed the fish and it's drying and all that, so I can add the seasoning. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some seasoning oil, and I'm gonna add some lemon pepper to it. You don't want to put a lot of seasoning oil because it'll make it really taste. It'll make it taste really, really salty. You don't want your fish tasting salty. You ever had salty fish where somebody put too much seasoning? I did that one time, and I was so mad. Was I mad? I was mad. So lesson learned: not a lot of seasoning. Okay. This is some different. This is whitening. This is whitening fish. These two, and this is gosh, I can't remember what the name of that is. Chalupa fish, chalupa, something like that. I would dig in the trash just to show y'all, but I don't feel like doing it. But let's get. Like I said, I'm home. It's 8 o'clock, and I'm about to fry this fish up because I'm starving like Marvin. Let's fry this fish up. All right, to give y'all a little example how much seasoning I'm going to use. This is how much. That's the lemon pepper. See, that ain't even nothing. So trust me, but you'll taste it on the fish. And this is the seasoning. Just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. Trust me, you will regret it if you put a lot. Alright, I'm gonna flip that bad boy around. I'll flip it over. Let me wipe my hands off real quick. And I'm gonna add some seasoning oil on this side. Alright, and that's it, man. And a little bit of lemon pepper. And that's it. See, not a lot. Not a lot of pepper. Oh, I do have what I'm gonna use for the could I use cornstarch for like the breading? Oh, that's what I didn't get. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna use that for the breading, y'all. Yeah. Alright, let me get the rest of these seasoned up so we can go ahead and get that bad boy in that cornmeal. Thank you. Alright guys, the oil is finally hot, so I can finally fry this fish up. Ooh, that bad boy popping, boy. Look at that. That bad boy is popping. Alright, but the only thing I got is cornmeal, right? So we're gonna add this cornmeal. Alright. Add the cornmeal. Whew. And we're gonna lay that fish in ever so lightly in that cornmeal. Alright. This is all I had. I didn't feel like running to the store to get flour and I might got some lefties. Some lefties, babe. In the cabinet with the seasoning. I might got some lefties, I think. I'm not sure. Nope. Oh, never mind. Okay, I'm kidding myself. Alright, this is what we have to do. Alright, first batch of fish. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Let's get some other one in there. Let's get some more in there, bad boy. Oh, that one all broke up. Let's get this one. Let's hurry it up. Because that oil is like really, really hot. You know how you wait too long when your oil was heating up and it get like too hot? Yeah, that's what I did. Throw that in there. And we can get one more in there. Oh, y'all, this is gonna be good. Can't go wrong with fried good old fish. I never really fried with cornmeal. I always use flour when I fry, or lefties. I never really use cornmeal. So this is like kind of a first. We can get one more in there. Alright, and we can lay this one at the very bottom. Like so. Look at that. That's perfect. Alright, so we're going to let this bad boy fry for about 5 minutes, and we'll be back. Alright guys, these been cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and flip these bad boys real quick. Got my spatula. Let's give this a bad boy a flip. See if we can do this without messing nothing up. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Ooh, I got popped. That hurt. Ooh. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get this one. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Alright, let me close this up. Alright. Yep. We're going to fry this side for about 5 minutes. And we're going to take this batch up. And once I'm done this, well, the corn is almost done. We still got all these fishes and those to go. Okay? So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's been a while since I did a cooking video for y'all, man. I really enjoy cooking for y'all. But you know, food prices are so high. Like, it's no joke. Food prices are really, really high. Like, well, y'all get what I'm saying. Y'all know what I mean. But, yeah. Alright, my favorite people. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this one out. As you can see, I got some paper towels laying down there in the oven so it can stay warm. Let's flip this one more time. Get this one to flip one more time. So we're going to take this one out, okay? Put that in there. Yep. Ooh, look at that fish, boy. Look at that. Alright, let's get these bad boys right here. Yep, this one's ready to go. Ooh. Alright, now let me just go ahead and get them other batches in there, man. I still got a lot more cooking to do. Alright, y'all, I am on my last batch. As y'all can see, I got hot. Had to take my shirt off because I get hot real quick. But like I was saying, this is my last batch of fish. I've been frying fish for over an hour. I know. This is the last batch. And I am finally done, man. And I can't wait to eat. Yeah, look at that fish, wow. Y'all know that look good, man. Alright guys, I'm finally done dinner. And the fish smells so good. I know you probably see a little sweat in my forehead, but I've been cooking my A off, okay? Look at this food, man. Look at this. This is my plate. Look at that fish. Got the fried fish, got the corn, and you got the mashed potatoes, okay? As y'all know, I always get a little test. I always do a little taste test for y'all, okay? But alright, let's get a little bit of this. Get a little bit of that fish. Oh yeah, let's get a little bit of that fish, and a little bit of that, and a little bit of that mashed potatoes, alright? Let's go that route. There go the bite. Not a big bite. It'll do. It'll do. Oh. That is good. That is good. Thanks for watching, y'all. I might do a fish mukbang for y'all. Depends on how much fish is left. I mean, you don't believe it. But yeah, I've been working, so I would love to do that for y'all. I know y'all love the mukbang. Y'all see how much fish is left. It's a lot of fish. So, I would love to do that for y'all. But in the meantime, I'm going to go and turn this up now. Thanks for watching. Like button, share, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Peace.
Perfect.